I'm so excited because I finally got my vegetables so that I can go ahead and make my ferments. I just save old jars so that I can use them, reuse them rather, instead of buying mason jars. I've been doing that for years. I started off using mason jars, but then I realized all these bottles and jars that I have, I can recycle them or reuse them. And that's what I started to do. I use them for my ferments. These are the cucumbers. Went on and sliced those up, and they're so beautiful and they taste so good as a ferment. I do it kimchi style, and they are delicious. Usually, kimchi is done with cabbage. And in that jar, I just went on to put my salt and my spices. And believe it or not, that's going to be very spicy. You can't really see the cayenne. It's this puree cayenne pepper type spicy pepper I use, and it's really good. Put my cucumbers on there, and then I fill it with some water. And this time I just put it barely to the top. Usually I fill it all the way up, but I've noticed that it's better to do it just barely to the top and it'll settle. And I also have some tomatoes and onions that I'm gonna do. Here are the onions that I did, and I love the taste of onions pickled or fermented. And that's my salsa style ferment with the jalapenos in it. This is gonna be so good. My mouth is watering now. I'm done with the onions, and I'm about to put it in a dark cool place, and let that go ahead and set up for a couple of weeks, if I can wait that long. But these are the ferments, and I think they came out really good. This is not my first time doing it, so I can kind of eyeball it to know if it's going to be a good batch, and it will be. And so I decided to also do some lime because I had some lime in the fridge and I wasn't using them quick enough. So I did some lime and jalapeno style salsa, but it's just jalapeno and lime ferment, and it's going to be really, really good. It's my first time trying it this way. I've done lemon and lime ferments before and they turned out good, but this is to spice it up or put a little citrus with mine. Jalapenos, there they are. This is another one I can't wait for.